Hey, Fred Lam here, and welcome to our Shopify Masterclass. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about upsells, but not just any regular upsell videos telling you that you need it. I'm going to give you some techniques. To be exact, 5 different upsell techniques that you can apply for your Shopify business. Now, these techniques are proven to work. I used them countless times, and I gotta say, you gotta test them all out. So what are these 5? The first one is actually very important. The first one is actually quantity. This is actually widely used, especially in supplement space. For example, if the person were to buy a 30-day supply, the first upsell that the person sees is the exact same products, but more quantity and more discounts. So that's what you want to actually try using. Maybe you're selling a product that is going to be reusable, or I should say have to be purchased every 30 days. At that time, guess what? You can say, hey, buy a 3-month supply with 50% off. That way you are instantly increasing your average order value. So quantity, very important. The second one is bundling. You can actually bundle your products into a package. Okay, let's say that if you are selling a kitchen product that is maybe a veggie slicer, right? Now with the veggie slicer, you can add in the meat slicer or what other things together as a package and sell it as a discount. This way, again, you are increasing the average order value. So bundling is also very important, bundling with other products. The third one that you can actually start using is a limited edition. Let's say that if you are selling a really nice headset, a really nice headset gadget, and it is available in black or white that they can choose in terms of colors. The upsell that you can do can be a gold version that is going to be 30% more. People love it when there is quote unquote exclusive and obviously a limited edition where you can simply charge more, but your cost is obviously the exact same thing, right? So that is the third one that you can actually apply, third technique. The fourth technique is obviously what I call supplementary product. The easiest analogy when it comes to a supplementary product is, let's say that you are selling a camera, okay? What are the supplementary products? Well, guess what? You can sell the batteries. You can obviously sell a camera backpack. You can actually sell lenses. Those are what we call supplementary products, which is super key when it comes to upselling to increase your average order value. Now, the last one is going to be a little bit controversial, and for you to deliver this product will be a little bit hard, okay? But again, it is not available for all niches. It is really available to those maybe in the kitchen niche or maybe in the hunting niche, which is upselling a digital product. Listen, I always say that in your business, you don't want to just sell physical product. You want to sell physical product, you want to obviously have digital products, you want to obviously do affiliate marketing so that you have multiple sources of income. But when it comes to upselling, if you can upsell a digital product, let's say that if you're selling a kitchen product or that talks about salad or juice blending, right? You can actually upsell 101 recipes on how to lose your belly fat with these proven recipes for juicing, right? If the person is coming to buy a juicing product, obviously for you to upsell a digital product for them is pretty easy. And the delivery of this, your cost, there's nothing, right? There's no cost of goods, there's no cost of shipping. So you're literally going to make nearly 95% profit margin. Now the 5% obviously goes to processing fee. I'm not gonna say 100% because that's not realistic. But imagine 95% profit margin by having a digital product in place. That's gonna skyrocket your average order value. So seriously, these are the 5 techniques that we've been using. If you have any other upselling techniques, I would love to hear about it. Let me know right into the comment box. And again, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and I look forward on seeing you in our next episode. I'll see you then.